What's up everyone, Yuva Tapesh Kumar here, and today's video is gonna be a different one. So yesterday I had posted this story on my Instagram asking you guys if you wanted to know what had happened to Kiki. Now for those of you who are new to the channel or who don't follow me on Instagram, Kiki is the name of my bike and it's a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 and she had been missing for 6 months. 6 mahine baad, yesterday she came back home. So I asked you guys if you want to know what happened to Kiki and the response was very overwhelming. A lot of you wanted to know what happened to the bike. So I thought why not make a video and tell you guys what had happened to Kiki and how she is doing right now. So let's first have a look at the bike right now. How she is doing and how she looks like right now. Let's have a look. As you can see, there she is, and she looks absolutely fine right now, right? But it was not the case a few months back, and what exactly happened I will show you in a bit. So as you can see, this is still gone. And this is what she looks like right now. बहुत गर्मी है यार बाहर. So that is how she looks right now. But things were not the same 6 months back. And the story goes like this. दिल्ली में इतनी गर्मी होती है ना यार, पूछो मत. So anyways, पंखा बंद कर देते हैं. So anyways, what happened was on 25th of January 2020, which is this year, I went for a ride. It was a solo ride from Delhi to Amritsar. And on my ride, when I had crossed Ludhiana, this photo that you see on your screen right now, I took this photo just about 5 minutes before I crashed on the bike. We had a really horrific crash. I'll tell you the story about it. So 5 minute पहले crash थे, मैंने ये वाली photo ली थी, which you are seeing on your screen right now. So in this photo, as you can see, there's a red colored rope. It's a bungee cord which I had used to tie down my bag behind the bike. अब हुआ क्या कि while riding, I was riding at a very decent speed. Speed नहीं बताऊँगा मैं कितनी पे चला रहा था, but I was doing a very decent speed. And this bungee cord hook came out. The hook came out of its hold or its place, and वो जाके मेरे पीछे वाले टायर में फंस गया. And this bungee cord is a elastic वाली cord. You know, like extend नहीं हो जाती elastic वाली cord, उस टाइप की cord है. So what happened was it went and got stuck in the tire behind and the whole tire got locked up. So doing a pretty decent speed and पीछे का टायर से lock up हो जाए एकदम से, तो then थोड़ा सा obviously the bike will lose balance. The rear tire started skidding. The engine shut down obviously because tire रुक गया, तो engine भी रुक गया. And so in a second, like I'm riding and suddenly I see down and I see that the bike is drifting towards the left. पीछे वाला टायर lock up होके थोड़ा सा left की तरफ skid कर रहा था. And the engine RPM has suddenly fallen down to 0 and the whole engine is shut down and all the warning lights have come up. मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये क्या हुआ, and it was very fast. It all happened in an instant. The bike started skidding. मैंने handlebar थोड़ा turn किया trying to control the skid, but unfortunately control हुआ नहीं because जो highway था, which is the GT road which goes to Amritsar, road के side में on the left hand side मिट्टी पड़ी हुई थी. And because of that मिट्टी, what happened was the rear tire वैसे skid कर रहा था and the bike lost balance मिट्टी में जाते ही and she fell on the left side and bike के साथ मैं भी गिरा. We both skidded on the road for a while. हम लोग करीब almost good 200-300 मीटर हम लोग skid हुए, बाइक भी और मैं भी on the road. And at the end बाइक की हालत हुई थी ये. So in these photos you can see बाइक की क्या हालत हुई थी. These photos were taken right after the accident, immediately after the accident. और मेरी क्या हालत हुई थी वो मैं दिखाता हूँ. First let me show you my riding jacket. So thankfully as always I was wearing my full riding gear and as a result मैं बच गया. फुल राइडिंग इन सेंस मैंने पैंट नहीं पहनी थी. लाइक आई डिड नॉट वेयर अ राइडिंग पैंट, आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ नॉर्मल जीन्स बिकॉज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में वो राइडिंग पैंट थोड़ी अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाती है. So I did not wear a riding pant. I was only wearing a normal jeans, but I had my riding jacket on. I had a very good helmet on. I had my riding boots and gloves on. And believe me, that saved my life. अगर मैंने राइडिंग जैकेट नहीं पहनी होती तो मैं गया था. मेरे अंदर लेफ़्ट साइड से यहाँ से मेरी सारी हड्डियाँ बाहर आ जाती. Because skidding on the road for 200 meters is no joke. So please, all of you, whenever you ride, especially a two-wheeler, be it a cycle or a motorcycle, always wear a helmet and always wear protective clothing. It will save your life someday. Now let's go and have a look at my riding jacket कि उसकी क्या हालत हुई थी. So this was the jacket. तो यहाँ पर तो इतना ही हुआ था, which is not a lot. But this was the right hand side. Left hand side पे हुआ था असली चमत्कार. On the left hand side, as you can see, it's all gone. This is what is left of the left hand side. कुछ ज़्यादा बचा नहीं है. There was a pad here. यहाँ पे एक pad होता है elbow बचाने के लिए. As you can see यहाँ पर, if you can, I don't know feel होगा कि नहीं, but there's a pad here. That pad and all of this jacket, it really ended up saving my life. On the left side, so I would have been gone. Let me also show you my helmet. Helmet की क्या हालत हुई थी. So helmet is here. तो the शीशा is gone. शीशा टूट के पता नहीं कहाँ गिर गया. I have no idea. बाकी helmet में यहाँ पे ऊपर बहुत सारे scratches थे. And I'll show you a photo of the helmet right after the accident. ये मैंने साफ़ कर दिया था काफ़ी. तो now it's become okay. तो ये भी रिपेयर कराना है. बट थैंकफुली हेलमेट में ज़्यादा और कुछ डैमेज हुई नहीं थी. थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ से घिसा हुआ है. जूतों की ये हालत हुई थी. सो एज यू सॉ द एक्सीडेंट वॉज प्रिटी हॉरिफिक. काफ़ी डेंजरस एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. एंड थैंकफुली बिकॉज ऑफ माई राइडिंग गियर आई मैनेज टू सर्वाइव. राइडिंग गियर नहीं होता आई वुड हैव बीन गॉन. एंड नाउ फाइनली दो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ बाइक की क्या हालत हुई थी. सो द अपकमिंग वीडियोज़ आर ऑल अबाउट हाउ द बाइक वॉज आफ्टर द एक्सीडेंट. सो एक्सीडेंट लुधियाना में हुआ था. लाइक लुधियाना जस्ट क्रॉस करके. तो हम लोग बाइक को फिर कुछ दिन तो बाइक लुधियाना में ही रही. देन इवेंचुअली वी गॉट इट ऑन अ ट्रक एंड फिर हम उसको ट्रक से दिल्ली मंगाया हमने. एंड देन दिल्ली से मंगा के देन इट गॉट रिपेयर्ड एंड शी केम बैक yesterday after almost 6 months. And these are the videos of how the bike was after the accident. So अब सवाल आता है कि what happened to me? मुझे क्या हुआ था इस एक्सीडेंट में? Well, obviously because the crash was so bad, I also did get hurt. And my injuries were mostly because या तो मैं रोड पे घिसा या फिर कुछ पत्थर या कुछ कंकर they got into my riding gear and they hurt me. So this photo here shows my major injuries. I really got injured pretty badly. यहाँ पर let me show you. यहाँ पर लगी थी चोट ज़्यादातर and that was pretty bad. And as you can see in this photograph, it was pretty bad. काफ़ी अच्छे से चला था. And if you want to see it right now, let me show it to you. This is how they look right now. Otherwise थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे भी लगी थी. I don't know if you can see it not. पसीने बहुत ज़्यादा आ रखे हैं तो मेरे को. But I got hurt here as well. निशान दिखेगा कि नहीं I'm not sure. But I got bruised here. And थोड़ी बहुत घुटने में लगी थी, थोड़ी बहुत टांग में लगी थी. But those were just very superficial injuries considering how bad the accident was. एंड भगवान की कृपा है कि मैं ज़िंदा बच गया. इट वॉज ऑनेस्टली वेरी बैड. सो प्लीज़ माई लेसन टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस इज प्लीज़ लर्न फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक्स एंड always 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 never use a bungee rope to tie your bag. And on a serious note, please always wear your riding gear and at least always wear a helmet when you're riding a bike, because believe me, that helmet and that riding gear can be the difference between your life and your death. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get hurt. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.